better. We have the net profit that's better, and the gross NPA number, in fact, has improved the percentage on a sequential basis. The last quarter was at around 1.68 approximately. The street would have been happy if it didn't go to 1.8%, or that's the poll that Abhishek threw up. And in fact, it's come in at sub 1.5%. So the asset quality as well has been maintained. The NI is better, I think, by around 50 to around 80 crores, and the net profit number as well. This will go down as a beat.
The provision cover ratio.
Yeah, that's 75%.
Even that has increased to 75%, if I'm not mistaken. So, you know, this is the quarter when NBFCs have been moved from 180-day loan recognition to 90-day, and in spite of it, the company has come with, you know, asset quality numbers which are much better than the quarter ago numbers, both net and gross NPA. So, and I think the provision cover ratio number will just run. See, look at the provision coverage ratio. It's increased by 7 percentage points. So that is as safe as it gets, much safer than a bank, you would say.
Yeah, also they've said that during Q4, the new loans booked have increased by 51%. So that's, you know, looks quite good actually. As well, loan losses and provisions for Q4 has come in at 274 crores, which is just a shade below the 287 crores that they had seen in the Q4 of FY17. As well, assets under management have now grown to nearly 80,500 crore rupees from 60,000 as of March 2017. So as of the 31st of March,
50% growth in assets under
growth in assets on a Y-on-Y basis. So that looks good as well. And in terms of more details, Nigel, you have anything more?
No, that's you know, that's precisely all the details that we have. I think even the number that just came up for you on the screen, the AUM growth, well, we are working with a number of around 35 to 40%. It's come at around 34%. So you can't really fault these numbers. Initially, we saw some kind of profit booking, but now the street is taking note of it. It's been a big outperformer, and the numbers are really justifying that. On all accounts, it's a beat, the NI, the asset quality, the net profit, as well as the AUM growth. A thumbs up for Bajaj Finance for the time being.
You know, also more details in terms of, this is the consolidated number, of course, that I'm talking about of Bajaj Fin and the housing company. Consumer lending has seen a 44% jump, okay? So that is looking good, and that's, of course, the largest...
These are year-on-year numbers, and we must remember that Bajaj Finance was the only company which proactively said in the demonetization quarter, which was the year-ago quarter, that they are going to curb lending. So, I mean, you should expect that they must have gone into a shell in the 2 demo quarters of October, December and Jan-March. And therefore, obviously, the year-on-year numbers look excellent.
Okay, so that's boding well. That's a word on Bajaj Finance.